Advent Calendar series.
And now I know what you're thinking. Where's Noah? Well, the answer to that good old grand question is that Noah's doing finals. So he's not here right now.
Yep.
Don't know how many of these he's not going to be here for, but he'll probably be back by the end.
Yeah.
So, in case you didn't know how this works, what you're going to do now is you're going to subscribe, you're going to hit that bell, and you're going to not do that if you don't want to. Because we're not very controlling. We don't care what you do. But, what we're going to do in this here video is we're going to open these presents, like this crock pot.
Not a crock pot.
How do you know? This advent calendar, this advent calendar, and these two, and this one. This one's usually Noah's, but, you know, previously stated, unless you forgot, that he's not here, so.
Alright, Advent Calendar number 1.
Where's Ted?
This one is a nativity set from Precious Moments. Thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product.
We got a shepherd. Emma, you want to read the thing?
Sure. What is this, number 10? Hold up, wait. I remembered I have a list, and I would rather not.
No. This one's the cutest one, is a little lamb.
It's a lot of.
The shepherds in their fields that night stood by. Wait. The shepherds in their field that night stood by their sheep astounded, as stars twinkled above and a heavenly voice resounded.
We're gonna open up the Precious Snowman's Advent Calendar. Day 10.
This poem says, next is in the box is an angel in blue, wings of white with its legs askew. Beautiful.
Its legs are askew.
Those are quite askewy.
I couldn't find it. I thought it was empty for a second.
Alright, so now I'm gonna open up the jerky one, and now that Noah's not here, I get more jerkies.
I also eat some of that jerky, but not a lot.
Today's is garlic buffalo strips. Same thing as before. I think this is bison.
That sounds pretty good.
Not gonna lie.
That's meat.
Pretty solid meat. It's just, you know, it's fine. Just, you know, pretty standard middle of the road meat.
Yeah, that's you know, meat. Okay, so now I'm opening up day number 10 on the Charm Bracelet Advent Calendar. A rose gold, I don't know,
Thing?
rose gold heart charm. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the makeup advent calendar. I did cut my nails, so they are
Less disgusting.
yeah, they were pretty gross.
Yeah, I was disgusted.
All right, this one is a cheeky flusher.
What is that? Cheeky flusher?
This is British.
It is?
I don't know, cheeky flusher sounds pretty British to me.
My woolly
Woolly
jumper.
I don't like fishy jumper.
What?
Fishy jumper?
I don't like it.
It's cheeky flusher, Micah.
Do you want some makeup on
Watch
you?
this, Micah.
No, I don't like it.
Do you want some on your hand?
No,
You want, Luca, you want some on your hand?
he don't like it.
Did it even do anything?
Yeah.
He
got a cheeky flusher
So now we're gonna go ahead and get into the cheese advent calendar. I'm not used to this one because it's Noah's, but I'm gonna open it in the spirit of Noah.
We're opening up one in the front. How's that?
So today we got, ooh, Herb Gouda.
Herb.
Now, I've been excited about Herb Gouda ever since I first heard about it, back in 7th grade.
Yeah.
Yes. It was my favorite one though.
Now, the history of Herb Gouda is one I don't know, and I can't do that bit.
I can't even care enough to recall what the history of Herb Gouda is. These children, it's just noise. The noise never stops.
I've had it before. I don't know why this time I just really don't like it.
Yeah, it's not as good as the last time. It's weird.
Why is it?
He's in the house. He's doing the finals.
I do
Slightly
know.
more herb than last time.
I don't know. I don't like it. Okay, first we're going to do this this one. This is a donate.
Shush, man.
This is a donate present. This is a donate present.
I see something. Let's go open this.
Oh my goodness. It looks like
A dog.
a wide.
Wild Hearts Crew.
Yo, this lady be wildin'.
This is from Mattel. Thank you, Mattel, for the free product.
And on the back it shows us, I don't know.
You know, Daddy's trying to film it that
Oh.
whole time.
Yo, this lady be wildin'.
He opened this up.
We're not
No.
opening it. We're donating it.
He opened it.
Oh my goodness, it looks like a basket. Whoa, my god. Don't use that word.
Do I have to read all of this? This is the Crazy Christmas Cake Charity Challenge 2020. While we still have personalized advertising and views, let's do something huge together to help kids. Video concept. Each channel bakes, builds one more crazy looking Christmas themed cakes. What? I can't read. Each channel bakes slash builds one or more crazy looking Christmas themed cakes. The messier and crazier the better. Think ugly sweater on a cake. It can be a store-bought cake that you smear with store-bought icing or just a pie tin full of whipped cream and sprinkles. Hands-only channel, gaming channel, just think Christmas, crazy, and cake. Smiley face with a nose. So, this is the Crazy Christmas Cake Charity Challenge. And the way this challenge works is we get to decorate a cake and then we will proceed to smash it in our faces for charity.
That's right. So there's about like 50 YouTube channels doing this challenge, and half of them are doing the Water Boys charity, and half of them are doing the Children's Miracle Network. So, and our charity is Children's Miracle Network.
So, all the money we make from this video will be going to that charity.
So if you didn't know, Children's Miracle Network raises funds and awareness for 170 hospitals in the US and Canada.
And the way you can help us win is by sharing this video with other people. Okay, time to decorate some cakes.
With absolutely no utensils.
We got,
hands.
yeah.
Okay, so my plan here is to take everything off.
I'm gonna cover mine in sprinkles and just see how this goes.
Yo, this baby be wildin'.
Here, watch this. I'm getting it all over the table with this method.
So I can make it better.
Jonah's gonna win the decorating because he's putting effort into it. I'm just kind of decorating the top.
Put it on your face. And put it on your face.
I just want frosting.
No.
I can clear it out the green piece, the blue piece.
No.
You've already got cake all over your face.
Let's
Ugh, this does not work at all.
put it on your face.
I
Put it on
challenge those
face.
two twin sons.
There's an angry snowman. The angry snowman.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
I kind of like the idea of like patting it on, but I don't know. I'll do whatever.
You gotta go full in.
My nose. Okay, so these are our finished cakes. Mine is a three-eyed creature.
Mine's this little man.
I love him.
He's angry. Okay. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! Wait, you really got into it.
You did
Hold
it. You
on.
just did your
Well,
nose.
I didn't know what I was doing.
What are you
Hold on.
doing? No, that's not what. That's not how it works.
That counts.
No, it does. That's
Jonah committed.
that's
You put it
horrible.
on your face.
Get it in
You
there.
put it on your face.
My frosting is way
You
better.
put it with your snow monster. With your snowman monster.
You got
He's
smashed.
gone. He's on my face now.
All right, so now we need to tag another YouTuber, and we're tagging Ergo and his. And we're tagging Ergo and his family. Or his crew, his buds, I don't know. We hope you enjoyed day number 10 of the Advent calendar. Please tune in tomorrow for day number 11.
Yeah.
Like the mask.
Ooh, it's horrible. Taking it off is even worse.